Analyzing uploaded files within AI.Law means that you upload the PDF or Word document and have AI provide information from it for you. The first step in using this is to actually upload whatever documents you'd like it to review. In this case, what we'll do is we'll add a medical file. This is an example medical file in a PDF format. It has information surrounding several different treatment dates, treatment events for somebody who got into an accident. Now, I just happen to have this in a text, easily readable text format because it was created in Word as an example file, but you do not need to use Word documents in order for this to function well. You can just use general PDFs. Once you have your PDF uploaded, you'll have it in this section here. And here we have this one document. If we wanted to add more, we can click or drag and drop additional. Once you have all the files that you want, you can have multiple PDF files. Each one should be under 30 megabytes, but you can add several PDF files here. This is not going to work with 70,000 ESI files that somebody might have for e-discovery, but if you have likely 2,000 pages or less in total, you'll probably find this handles them pretty well. So you drag and drop, you've got your file here, and then you create your group. This is so if you have multiple files, they group them all together and you have one, or you just have one document as we have here. So once this is selected, these are other prior histories. You can select this and then go over here and actually chat with the document itself or with the document group. You can ask it general questions. What is the highest charge shown in these records? And what it will do is go find your highest charges. If you want every single charge to be shown, then what you can do is you can click this little Find All Instances, and then the system will provide you a very deep dive and pull out every relevant particular piece of information based on your request. This takes longer, and it can take even longer with a large set of documents, but if you're looking for accuracy with very specific information, this checkbox does a fantastic job of pulling out everything that you need out of it. So I should mention here, as this is running, the first time that you run this particular group through, notice how we uploaded, then we added it and ran it. The first time our system will actually read it and memorize it, if you will, and that process takes a little bit longer with the very first question that you ask versus follow-up questions after that. So here we've got $1,500. That took a little bit. What about the lowest cost? And this will take significantly less time to pull because it's already read, it's already uploaded and read the actual file for you. But this is how you actually search groupings of documents. It was a lot faster, 10 cents versus, and then the response looks accurate too, 1,500 versus 10 cents. This is how you search documents. If you have a particular preset desire, you want to summarize, locate information, build a case, you can just click on this and it will provide you the information that you need from those individual documents. That is Analyze a Document. You're probably going to be using this request section more than anything else. Somebody has used this in the past as saying, for example, find the things that a jury might really want to know about out of all this documents. So let's ask it that. And then it will pull it up. So we'll see what this gives us here in just a second. So you can pull information, or you can converse, chat with, if you will, the document set that you would like. There you go. Would like to know extent of the injuries, treatment, and associated medical cost. That is Analyze Uploaded Files.